Hey everyone, welcome to my website. My website's called Fashion Guru. On my homepage, I have information about what is Fashion Guru and other paragraphs and little, explanations of who we are and what's our purpose. And there's a lot of pictures of famous brands and designers that everyone is familiar with. We also have our social media on the homepage, so give us a follow on Instagram or Twitter. And to get to our Instagram page, the little Instagram icon right here, you can just click on it and it takes you straight to our Instagram page. I believe as well with Twitter, just click on the Twitter and it takes you there. We have our contact page, and on the contact page, if you need to contact me, you can send me an email. This is my email up here. Please fill out this form, with your first name, last, email, and whatever comments, questions, concerns that you have, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We usually have a 24-hour policy, so we try and get back to you within 24 hours. We also have our poster over here, and on the poster we have our QR code that links you to our social media. Our next page is the About Me page. This gives you an overview of who I am and why I made this website and what it means to me. And we have some pictures of me, and these are a couple of my favorite outfits that I've worn. The next page is our FAQ page. On our FAQ page, we have an infographic which answers the frequently asked questions of how can we help and who are we. We get those questions a lot, so we answered those in an infographic for you. So please take a look at this infographic before you fill out the form, because there is a chance that we may have already answered your question. But if we have not, please go back to the contact page and fill out that form, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. The next page is references. The reference page has all the citations for where we got our images, and I also am the owner of the images of me, so I own those, and that's on this reference page as well. Then we have our boards. I'm going to show you the casual outfit board. On this board, I give you a couple outfits that, are just pretty casual. More will be coming soon. It kind of just depends on the seasons. So we change within the seasons, or what trends are in, what trends are out. So I post a couple pictures and then I give a little description of what I'm wearing. Sometimes I'll include where I bought certain pieces, but usually I don't include where I buy certain pieces because, stores run out. They don't always have them, and it just depends what season you buy that certain clothing item in. But if you want to get a good idea of, what to wear, just read the descriptions, look at the pictures, and if you have a good idea yourself and it's not already on here, send us an email and you could be featured on our webpage. So definitely take a look at our boards.
Hello?
Hello?